AI robots now mimic human emotions, facial expressions, speech, and even thought processes. The world of artificial intelligence is evolving faster than we could have ever imagined, and the latest wave of advancements is more human-like than ever before. From Ameca to TeslaBot to Figure AI, these machines are pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible, and it's happening right before our eyes. So, should we be excited about these innovations, or should we be deeply concerned? Today, we are here to find out how AI robots are becoming too human and what could be the possible outcome. While these AI-powered robots hold immense potential in fields like healthcare, elderly care, and automation, they also raise questions about the future of jobs, the dangers of deception, and the autonomy of machines. Let's explore how AI robots are mimicking human behavior, the major benefits and serious concerns that come with this technology, and the unpredictable future we may be heading toward. Should we view AI robots as helpful assistants, or are we on the verge of something much more dangerous? Let's begin with the rise of human-like AI robots. AI robots that mimic human behavior have reached new heights. Some of the most notable examples in the field include Ameca, TeslaBot, and Figure AI. Ameca, developed by Engineered Arts, is one of the most advanced humanoid robots out there today. What sets Ameca apart from others is its ability to show a wide range of human-like emotions. Through 24 motors in its face and advanced algorithms, Ameca can display emotions like smiling, frowning, and even winking. It can mimic human facial expressions and movements, making it seem incredibly lifelike. But what really sets Ameca apart is that it doesn't just look human, it interacts like one too. With cameras and microphones, Ameca can respond to commands, recognize faces, and even converse with humans in multiple languages. Imagine a robot that can perform all of these expressive actions without being pre-programmed for each specific interaction. This gives it a flexibility and naturalness that we haven't seen before. And while Ameca isn't yet fully autonomous, it's an example of how AI can be trained to behave like humans, not just to perform tasks. Let's talk about TeslaBot next. This humanoid robot was developed by Elon Musk's Tesla. While still in the development stage, TeslaBot promises to be a multi-purpose assistant, capable of handling everything from simple household chores to more complex industrial tasks. Its purpose? To tackle tasks that humans either don't want to do or are simply too dangerous to handle. In factories, TeslaBot could perform repetitive work, while in homes, it could assist with cleaning, cooking, and even taking care of the elderly. TeslaBot's most impressive features include its ability to learn and adapt to its environment. It's equipped with advanced sensors and neural network capabilities, enabling it to perform tasks in a human-like manner. Imagine a robot walking through your home, identifying objects, picking them up, and performing routine chores with the precision and dexterity of a human. But as we dive deeper into the implications of such technology, we can't help but ask, what will this mean for the workforce? Could TeslaBot eventually replace human workers in factories or even become a caregiver for the elderly? Then there's Figure AI. It is another human-like robot designed to assist in a variety of tasks. While still in its early stages, Figure AI represents another leap forward in the development of humanoid robots that can perform tasks that were once exclusive to humans. It's designed to move, think, and learn independently. And with its autonomous decision-making capabilities, it opens up a whole new frontier in AI and robotics. Figure AI will be used for both domestic and industrial applications, such as assisting with physical labor, caregiving, and more. So what do you think? What's next? How advanced can these robots get? And will they eventually learn to think and act entirely on their own? Share your thoughts, as we'd love to hear from you. Moving forward, let's discuss the potential benefits of human-like AI robots. The benefits of human-like AI robots are clear. Let's talk about healthcare first. AI robots like Ameca and TeslaBot could have massive applications in healthcare. With the world's aging population, robots that can assist elderly individuals with physical tasks like cleaning, fetching items, and even providing companionship are crucial. Robots can be programmed to recognize symptoms, monitor health, and even perform medical procedures. In the future, humanoid robots could take over more routine medical tasks, leaving doctors and nurses free to focus on more complex issues. Furthermore, humanoid robots also hold incredible potential for automating labor-intensive tasks. Robots can be programmed to learn and adapt to different tasks, making them an efficient workforce. This would significantly reduce human error, increase output, and lower costs in industries like construction, logistics, and agriculture. While the potential benefits are undeniable, there are also serious concerns surrounding the rise of these human-like robots. From job displacement to deception and autonomy risks, these robots present challenges that we cannot ignore. One of the biggest concerns about AI robots is the potential for job displacement. As these humanoid robots become more capable, many fear that they could replace human workers in various sectors, particularly in industries like manufacturing, logistics, and customer service. If robots can handle jobs that humans once did, what will happen to the people who rely on these jobs to survive? The fear is real. Another concerning issue with human-like robots is their potential for deception. With robots becoming capable of mimicking human speech, expressions, and even behaviors, they can be used to create deepfakes, manipulate public opinion, or impersonate others. For example, what if a robot impersonated a politician or a celebrity, delivering fake messages that influence elections or spread misinformation? These robots could be used for malicious purposes that take advantage of their human-like appearance and behavior, leading to a rise in ethical concerns. Last but not least, the rise of autonomous robots brings a new set of challenges. While autonomous decision-making can lead to efficiency and innovation, it also raises serious questions about control. What happens if an autonomous robot makes a decision that harms someone or goes against human ethical guidelines? As robots like Tesla Bot and Figure AI become more capable of performing tasks without human intervention, the line between helpful assistance and potential threat becomes real blurry. The big question: helpful assistance or potential threats? The reality is, we are standing at a crossroads. These robots are capable of transforming industries, making our lives easier, and improving healthcare. But they also come with risks that we can't afford to ignore. The future of AI robots will likely depend on how we handle these challenges. If we continue to develop AI responsibly, with careful oversight, we may be able to harness these advancements for the greater good. However, if left unchecked, AI robots could pose a serious threat to society, disrupting jobs, causing ethical dilemmas, and even jeopardizing our safety. So what should we do ethically? As robots become more human-like, we need to ensure that they are used for the benefit of society rather than becoming tools for manipulation or even harm. This is a critical moment in the development of AI. We must engage in open conversations about what AI is, how it should be used, and who should be in charge of its development. Governments, tech companies, and researchers need to work together to create safe, transparent, and ethical frameworks for these advancements. As we look toward the future, we need to think about the role AI robots will play in our world. Will they be our helpers, our companions, and our coworkers? Or will they challenge our very existence, making us question the role of humans in a world that's increasingly run by machines? The next step in AI development will focus on creating robots that are more adaptable, more autonomous, and more human-like. The key will be to find the balance between innovation and regulation, ensuring that AI robots are safe, ethical, and beneficial to society. In the end, we have to ask, are we prepared for a world where robots are as human as we are? Well, only time will tell if these robots are the helpful assistants we hope they will be, or if they'll pose challenges that we aren't ready to face. So, what do you think about the rise of AI robots? Are they the future, Or are we heading toward a potential nightmare? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the world of AI and robotics. This conversation is just beginning. We'll keep you in the loop on all the groundbreaking breakthroughs coming your way.